In this video, I'm going to answer 8 what-ifs about your project that the Oschlun Oscillating Blade answers. I'm Eddie Field with Field Guide to DIY. Let's dive in. Now, what if you need to cut wood in a really tight place? The narrow wooden plastic blade works in really tight places. What if you're cutting through wood and you accidentally hit a nail or a screw? Well, Oschlun makes a blade for that. The Oschlun metal and wood blade is designed for that with hardened steel and a sharp edge. It's designed to cut through wood, plastic, metal, or wood with nails. What if you're working in the wall and you don't have enough room for a PVC pipe cutter? Just use your oscillating tool with a wooden plastic blade. But what if your pipe is copper and there's still not enough room for the pipe cutter? Use your oscillating tool with the Oschlun blade that's designed for metal. What if the space that you're cutting in is a really weird angle? Well, Oschlun blades have stops that allow you to set it at different angles. So now you're not limited to cutting straight up and down. What if instead of making a smaller cut, you need to make a bigger cut? Oschlun Oscillating Tool Blades also come at larger sizes. What if you need to make a cut this deep but no further? Every Oschlun Oscillating Tool Blade has a depth gauge or a depth indicator on it. So now you know exactly how deep your cut is. What if you absolutely depend on the blade getting the job done? Well, Oschlun blades are made from hardened steel. And quite frankly, the Oschlun Oscillating Tool Blade is the strongest steel of any blade that I've worked with. So there you have it. 8 what-if answers to your project questions answered by the Oschlun Oscillating Tool Blade. So if you're looking for replacement blades for your oscillating tool, look for Oschlun. You'll be glad you did. For more tool tips and suggestions, be sure to click like and subscribe to Field Guide to DIY.